A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you? Fine, enjoying monsoon? Yeah, even I also. Okay, so are you learning something today? We'll learn something today. What are you doing with EVS at your home? Completing your worksheets, no? Okay, so for you, I am going to do the revision once again from very first chapter, that is Our Body Wonderful. What's the name? Our Body Wonderful. Let's start. So we are switching on to the revision of Our Body Wonderful. Our Body Wonderful. Today we will be starting with hard words. Okay. So we are going to start with a revision of hard words. It's a new words. It's not hard, but they are called new words, isn't it? So let's start. Here, H-A-I-R, here. What's the spelling of here? H-A-I-R, here. What's the spelling? Tell me. Break the spelling. H-A-I-R, here. Followed. I'll be doing one for you and you will be writing down 5 times in your notebook. Followed? Good. My children are very nice. Now next one is head. What's spelling? Head. You will pronounce like head. H-E-A-D. Head. What's the spelling? Head. Next one is ice. What's the spelling? Ice. E-Y-E-S. Ice. Next one is ears. Ears. What's the spelling? Ears. Write down E-A-R-S. Ears. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. What's the spelling? N-O-S-E. Nose. Chest. What's the spelling of chest? C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Shoulders. Shoulders. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulders. Followed, beta? Very nice. Hands. What's the spelling of hands? H-A-N-D-S. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Legs. What's the spelling of legs? Let's see. L-E-G-S. Legs. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Stomach. What's the spelling of stomach? S-T. This is T. Isn't it? O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Followed? I have written in cursive. You can write in simple alphabet also. Like this. I'll tell you how to write. What's the first spelling? Here. H-A-I-R. Here. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. This is the example I have given you. Rest of the spelling you will be writing down. If you don't know cursive, you can go with the simple alphabets also, isn't it? You have followed how you have to go with the written one? Very good. Now, if you have to learn the spelling, how you will be going to learn? You have to break the spelling and learn. I'll give you the example. Here, how you will write? H-A-I-R, break. Two words you have to learn. H-A-I-R, here. How you will pronounce? Here. Similar way, head. How you will pronounce head? H-E-A-D, head. Eyes. How you will pronounce? Eyes. No, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. You will break up the word spelling and you will learn. Good. Ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Followed. Now we will switch on to the next spelling, nose. How you will be pronouncing this spelling? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O, no, S-E, nose. Don't go in a longer way. Just see how I am speaking. Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. The next one is chest. How you will pronounce this one? Chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Shoulders. What spelling of shoulders? Have you seen? No? Now how you will break up? S-H, shoulder. How you will pronounce? Shoulder. How you will break up the spelling? Followed. Very nice. Good, good. You are learning very fast. Very good. Hands. How you will break up? In this way. Followed. Hands. How you will pronounce? Hands. Legs. Legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Stomach. How you will break the spelling? Stomach. Followed. So this is the way to learn the spellings. All the new words you have to learn, isn't it? Followed. Yes. Hope you have understood all the hard words. Repeat 4 to 5 times in your notebook. Till then, remain safe. Happy monsoon. Play a lot, isn't it? Okay. Bye-bye.